Okay, hello, my name is Tyler. I'm a German Shepherd living in Ireland with a British accent with Americans. Right, explain that. First of all, this is my first video and yes, I am a dog. Told you, didn't I? I did. If you like what you see so far, can you hit the like button because I'm a cute little puppy. I'm 7 months. I don't have any brother or sister because, yes, I found out the other day I am adopted. Sad face. So, if you, yeah, so I'm going to go now and I'm going to try use the laptop buttons to upload this video. Yeah, bye!